All right, I'm on the top of page 207 in your Go Math textbook, the big book. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the mid-chapter check for Chapter 5. Choose the best term from the box to complete the sentence. A blank is a ratio that compares a quantity to 100, and that can be found on page 195. So I'm going to let you go ahead and go back to page 195 and see if you can find that vocabulary term. Remember, comparing it to 100. So that should be a big clue as to whether it's percent or rate. But again, if you need help, additional help after going to page 195, don't hesitate to raise your hand. All right, let's go to the next few. Write a ratio and a percent to represent the shaded part. So on these ones, you're just counting the shaded parts, and just remember that each column that is completely filled in or completely shaded is going to be 10. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So as a ratio, it would be 17 to 100, or I can write it as 17 over 100. And as a percent, it's just going to be 17 per 100, 17%. Once I have a denominator of 100, the percent is just my numerator. Okay. And essentially, you're going to be doing the same thing for number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 is a little trickier because be careful, don't say this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10, because then you would be counting this box and this box twice. Okay, so be careful. Just go through on this one. I would just go through and count each individual box just to make sure we're correct. Okay, so do not count these boxes twice on accident. That's the one mistake you could possibly make on number 7. Okay. But again, if you want to double check your answer when you're done, anything like that, don't hesitate, raise your hand. Actually, I'm going to do number 4 as well. Let's do 4. We don't have any full columns shaded in. So right here, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 to 100. And we can also write that as 7 over 100. And remember, as soon as I have a denominator of 100, I can just write my numerator as my percent, so 7%. Okay. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. In the next video, I'll be covering page 207 still, but I'll go over the problems below. All right, see you on the next one.